Hop off the plane, looking cool as fuck. Look at me, I'm cool as fuck. My middle name is Az, my first name cool and my last name is fuck.
Yo, what is up, sweet team? I'm back. So, if you watched yesterday's episode, you'll know that last night I had like this come dine with me thing with my girlfriend. Brilliant, actually. Yeah, we just bought a sticky toffee pudding for dessert. But yeah, I had a few drinks, got a bit drunk. I decided to throw like this ball at my girlfriend. I thought she was angry, so I ran upstairs to try and get away from her. I heard her coming upstairs and I jumped out the window and I fucking ripped my £800 trackies. So yeah, I'm devastated about that. I'll get Nancy to sew them up and it's good as new, I promise. Anyway, today I don't know what I'm gonna do. First of all, I need to get changed because I'm in these clothes from last night and I feel disgusting. While I go and jump in the shower, I'm making a pizza because I'm very hungry. It's literally like 2 o'clock right now. So I've got the pizza in the oven. I cannot wait for my pizza. Pizza. The day keeps the doctors away. Whoa! Slip row. Oh. I can't. Yeah! Yeah! Great! That pizza was so nice. I love pizza. I have a pizza every day. Mwah, pizza. Hold on a second.
Hey, I like bitch who is your mess. Hey, can't keep my dick in my pants. Hey, my bitch don't love me.
Yo! This is Salva, everyone. Hit him up on Instagram. There. So Salva does a bit of the music on my channel. I'll put that here now. Ooh, boy. Alright, so I'm now in the car with Sitting in the car with Seal. We've both decided that we're dying and we need energy. Basically, we are both feeling dead. We're gonna go to Tesco's to get a Red Bull and we've got a little mystery guest with us. Yeah. Going to follow the sweetie. Woo! That's alright. So I'm in Tesco right now and it is lit, bro. Alright, so I've just been kicked out of Tesco's for doing an air horn in there, and I think that's bullshit! Oh well. Thing is, I still need an energy drink. We're gonna have to go to our next destination now. Cheers.
I have no idea.
Oh,
let's find somewhere.
Who was that? But there! Skirt. Oh god, they're following me even faster now! They're following me. I'm getting followed. Still following me.
Still getting followed.
Oh shit. How come? Just went through Caldecott.
Well, no, we went for Toft.
Oh no shit, we did go through Caldecott. Oh my god, this was the guy that's behind us. I saw the shadow of your camera and the fucking air horn. And I told him I was shooting a new YouTube video. New vid, hey, nice one. He is a member of the sweet team, woo! It's my little brother, everyone. Go follow his Instagram, woo! My ear.
Yeah, same.
Right, so we've just been out in the car just scaring people with the blowhorns. That's why my camera's blurry, it's got loads of shit on it. Oh, that's so annoying. My camera's clean now, I cleaned it, I didn't realise it was dirty. I'm sorry that you had to put up with dirt on our screen for so long. I'm going to my
Girlfriend's house.
I'm going to my secondary school now, and we're gonna fuck around there with the air horn. Then I'm going into Cambridge, so it's gonna be fucking lit!
Wanna be with me, gotta keep it real. Tell me what's going on, tell me how you feel. You wanna be with me, gotta keep it real.
Okay, so we went to my secondary school. Oh, it's about a bit. Okay, so we went to my secondary school. Alright, so we went to my secondary school, but it's just a little bit too dark to film. We did do a little air horn, but now we're in Cambridge in the Grand Arcade. We're gonna see what's going on, because it looks fucking lit! Woo!
Like ozone, did it, bitch, yeah. I gon' put a fucking hole in your fit it, bitch, yeah. Run the shit, little bitch, I'm with it, bitch, yeah. Backseat, with it, ain't fuck with it, like, bitch, I'm on the road.
This is literally lit! Oh my god! Which one? Oi, Louis. So yeah, we're in Grand Arcade right now, and over here we're doing free chlamydia tests, but I'm not sure how I can have chlamydia if I'm a virgin. So we're in town, we say, follow the sweet team, whoa! What's going on here? Whoa, that camera. Whoa. This is too much for me. Do you eat these?
I don't think they're...
Is that chocolate spread? Try me. I love you. So I'm just walking in the streets, I've got loads of fans behind me. It's wicked, man. They're just recognising me wherever I go. They're the sweet team back there, you know, fans everywhere I go. I ain't no tourist. Whoa. Whoa! That was sick. No, no. So we're down here with the punts now.
We're a abandoned punt place. I swear.
Whoa! Shit, man. Going down. Whoa! Shit! That was sick. That was so good.
Google Maps.
This is one of my fans. Oh, he probably didn't recognise me because it's quite dark.
Oh.
Whoa! That is mad. Whoa! That is mad.
Is that Buckingham Palace? I swear that she lives there.
Is that actually Buckingham Palace? I thought that was in London. We're in Cambridge.
Boy.
But we're in Cambridge. How is Buckingham Palace here? These are my fans. They're in the sweet team. I love you. We're now eating some dinner in Wasabi. Thank you. Join the sweet team. Woohoo! No, Louis, you can't have them crisps. Pick them up. You know, my fans love me everywhere I go. Jokes.
This is actual like Buckingham
I
Palace.
swear that's Buckingham Palace.
Like
That's actually where the Queen lives.
Yeah, it is Buckingham Palace, look. Buckingham Palace.
Oh yeah, Buckingham Palace. Oh yeah, cool. Hi Queen. Alright, so that's pretty much all we got time for in today's vlog.